I'm boarding this Airbus A320 going to Charlotte from BWI. Flight time around 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Hey, we got it. We got it. He does. And we got it. That's your little mama.
When do you want your phone? Do you want to wait till we actually start to go away? Okay, you'll show us, but I'll
Boarding is complete. Flight attendants for the cabin for departure. If you're using cell phones, make sure they're in airplane mode so you get them in your hand or seat back pocket. Anything over 2 pounds turned off and stowed. Folks, this is your lead flight attendant here at the front of the cabin. I want to ask you to do me a favor. Do out the short journey down to Charlotte. That's to use situational awareness. Do out your entire journey down to Charlotte. And please note that communication is very important to what we do here aboard the aircraft. When you approach you throughout the flight, take your headset off so we can deliver onboard customer service and we can communicate. Flight attendants are representatives of the Federal Aviation Administration and American Airlines. The performance of their safety duties aboard the aircraft require that you comply with all lighted signs, posted placards, and crew instructions at all times. And as always, let a flight attendant know how we can make your trip more enjoyable. Flight attendants, prepare for the cabin for departure.
There you go, pull it.
What's your boarding pass? Boarding pass where? Give it to your boarding pass. You're in 15C. You want to sit right there? That's fine.
Just whatever you take out, you're going to have to remember to get at the end, okay?
You know how to do that? How do you put things on airplanes? Do you want it now? We can show you how to put it on a slate. Like, look, when I do my watch,
I need that. Will you grab my phone?
Do you need to put something up here?
I can see it.
Did you see how far back I put mine? It's up there. It's all ready. I know. Put it way up there. What? With my airport.
No, okay.
Just put it up there.
Like above number 4.
Put it up there. Smart.
Hey, Zay, you're on an airplane and you have to go on airplane mode. You might not be able to listen. It is?
A320 literature.
Thank you.
I need everybody in a seat with their seatbelt securely fastened, all carry-on luggage stowed. Ample time and notice has been issued for you to have your electronic devices in airplane mode, secured in your hand or seatbelt pocket in front of you. Flight attendants, Army doors and cross-check, stand by for all call.
Yeah, no.
喂，我进去哪了？